Welcome to English Communication. This is part B of 1000 antonyms and synonyms. Broad, narrow. Broad, choda, narrow, tongue. Broad, the river was broad and beautiful. Narrow, the narrow path led to the forest. Big, bada. The big house had many rooms. Small, chota. The small puppy looked adorable. Blunt, blunt का मानी है खंड. The knife was too blunt to cut through. Sharp, तेज. The sharp pencil made writing easy. Better, बेहतर. He felt better after resting. Worse, बदतर. The situation became worse with time. Bitter, kadwa. The medicine was bitter but effective. Sweet, meeta. The dessert was sweet and creamy. Borrow, udhar lena. Can I borrow your book for a day? Lend, udhar dena. I will lend him my pen for the exam. Bravery, bahaduri. Her bravery during the fire saved lives. Cowardice, his cowardice stopped him from speaking up, means buzdili. Build, banana. They planned to build a new school. Destroy, tabah karna. The storm destroyed many homes. Bold, Nidar. She made a bold decision to start her own business. Timid, Buzdil. He was too timid to speak in the meeting. Bright, Roshan. The bright sun light up the sky. Dull, Mudham. The dull lecture put everyone to sleep. Back, पीछे. He sat back in the chair to relax. And front means आगे. She stood in front of the crowd and sang. Best, बेहतरीन. She is the best student in the class. Worst, बदतरीन. That was the worst movie I have ever seen. Blame, ilzam. He blamed her for the mistake. Praise, तारीफ करना. The teacher praised the student for their effort. Bliss, barakat. May God bless you with good health. Curse, lanat. The witch cursed the villagers. Bent, teda. The bent tree was a shelter for birds. Straight, sida. The road ahead is straight and clear. Backward, पीछे. He took a step backward in fear. Forward, आगे. She moved forward confidently. Bad, बुरा. The milk smelled bad after a day. Good, अच्छा. He has a good heart and helps everyone. Brave, bahadur. The firefighter was brave during the rescue. Cowardly, buzdili. He acted cowardly when confronted. Break, todana. I accidentally broke the vase. Fix, jodana. He fixed the broken chair. Bottom, niche. The treasure was found at the bottom of the sea. Top, upar. She climbed to the top of hill. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for next video.